Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix a lag problem on Instagram for the Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I'm gonna show you is pretty much the most common fix which you can find for this issue, and that is if your data saver mode is on. If it's on Instagram on your device, that might be the reason you're experiencing lag. However, on Instagram, to disable it if it is on, you can go ahead and go into your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, scroll down until you get to your app and media, go into data usage and media quality, and make sure that data saver is disabled. Data saver prevents videos from being loaded in advance so that you don't use as much data when you're scrolling reels. However, that can cause lag, so you can disable that and also disable data saver on your device as well. Power saver might also cause similar issues. I'm not 100% certain, but you can try disabling that as well. Alternatively, if that doesn't work, you can check your network connection. If it's good, it should be good, and you can go ahead and troubleshoot something else. And if it's not good, you can restart your router, reconnect to the session or to the internet by disabling and enabling it. Again, you can clear the cache of your Instagram app by just going into apps and storage and clearing the cache, since corrupted cache files do cause problems, lag included. Or if all else fails, you can just reinstall the Instagram app or just clear all the data, as you can see here. However, that should be it. You can troubleshoot the internet connection. That's what's most likely causing your problem, and you can do so by doing a speed test online, contacting your ISP to see if it's local or client side or provider side. If it's their fault, then you'll need to wait a bit for it to be fixed. But other than that, those are pretty much the tips that I can give you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.